Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Dollar General haul to share with you guys. House items, and this is the start of a stock up series. So there'll be about, I don't know, 2 to 3 hauls. So Dollar General, Walmart, and DollarTree stock up. All these items, I like to keep my stock up cabinet stocked for at least 3 months. For the past 2 years, we've recently switched over to doing it like that instead of buying like a lot of small items. Like we'll go and do like a big, like buy 3 boxes of tissues, 2 foils, several laundry detergents at once, and just stock it back. And then when we get down to about having only like a month left or so, then we go and restock again. So we just preferred this, and by we, I don't mean that I have a frog in my pocket, I mean myself and my husband. From that Dollar Deals aisle, I picked up these non-scratch scoring pads, 6-pack. Really pretty colors as well. Just wanted to give these a try. I know that I've used this type of sponge in the past, but decided to pick them up again for $1. And then I also did get a 5-pack of regular sponges, which I already threw in the stock cabinet. I'm going to share like a quick picture of the stock cabinet. And we did get 2 mega rolls of paper towels from the Dollar General. That's up there too, so I'm just going to share the picture. From the Dollar Deal aisle, I also picked up another Wizard candle. This one is in Mango Peach, and it smells really nice. And these candles prove to be alright, and they burn nicely. But overall, the candle smells nice, and I expect it to perform very similar to how the others perform. And they'll do 1 to 2 rooms, so they usually burn really nicely down. I picked up that. Well, I did decide, since Dollar Tree started selling the Swabble Complete, instead of the 12 load bottles, they now sell 10 load bottles. I decided this time, instead of picking up several of the small bottles, since they did downsize their size again, I picked up the Swabble Complete, which I love this stuff. This is the 46 load container in the scent Filled Flowers. Smells really nice. I have used this a lot in the past. I love it. It has stain shield in it, fewer wrinkles, freshness, color protection. It does a few things that I really like all in one. So I love the Swabble Complete. So I picked this one up, and this is normally $5 at a sale, and I got it for $4.50. But this is going to do 46 loads of laundry for $4.50. So I've done the math. This is the better deal.
This is extra
and I decided to pick up one of these large laundry detergents. It is extra brand, but I've used this in the past, and it does get your clothes clean. And I picked it up in the Tropical Passion scent. So it has one of the little pump thingies, and you can pour spout here. Yeah, it smells really nice. They had this in a citrus scent. And it does 172 regular loads. 172 regular loads. You have to follow the directions on the back, of course, to get that. But I will be doing large loads, so I'll need to double that. I done the math on this. This is going to do 86 loads of laundry, and it was $10. You can pick this up for $9.98 at Walmart, so 2 cents cheaper. I picked this one up. I do really love the one that I can get at Dollar Tree from the LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent with the fabric softener. I like that one a lot, but I was breaking this down, doing the math, and this is actually just the cheaper route to go. Then a couple beauty items. I picked up
the Studio Selection Basics 14 pieces,
the class free ones. They had these in, I believe, 4 different types. So you could get all black, this color scheme here, which I really love for spring, a primary rainbow set, and a more neutral set. This was $1, and yeah. I just needed some hair ties. And last but not least, from the Dollar General, I picked up the Apricot facial scrub. I needed a facial scrub. The last one I found was at the Dollar Tree. I'm not entirely sure if that's going to be there when I go, so because I was at the Dollar General, I went ahead and picked this one up for $2.35, I believe. No, this was $2.65, I believe. The Walmart one is $2.35, I believe. So, not much of a price difference. And the Dollar Tree one is $1.25, but once again, not sure if I'll even find that when I go there. But from Studio Selection, Invigorating Apricot Scrub. And it's a facial cleanser scrub and plant-based exfoliants, 6 ounces. Smells really nice. And I can't wait to give this a try. I've used facial scrubs like this in the past, but first time using this one. And that is all the items I picked up from the Dollar General. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.